What's up guys, welcome back to another some videos. Your boy Christopher, and in today's video I'm going to be explaining to you guys how the Blaze network actually operates and more information about Blaze network. Now for those of you that don't actually know about Blaze network is a shared computer where anyone can contribute to their computing power, like your laptop, your PC, or you can basically use to get rewards. All right, so how it works is very simple. Is in a simple term, all right? You will need either a laptop, a desktop, any of these can either work, all right? And then you will need what they call the Chrome extension nodes, all right? Now, once you have these installed in your system, it's going to be running at the background of your system. And you can see right here that the extension is going to be running on a safer background that is going to be taking out tax on your system in an ideal way. And you in what they call time points, which data becomes token you can either withdraw or use. Now these are very simple things or simple things you need to basically know. Now this is basically their Twitter handle where you can basically get to know more about them, get more information about them, and get every single update you basically need about them. All right, so this is the official web page that you can get from the Twitter handle. So how to get the extension, you basically click right over here, and this automatically gets to like lead you up right here. Make sure to have your email connected, and then you have to click to add extension. But since I have my own extension connected, you're going to notice my own extension right over here. All right, and since my extension is working for me, let me open it up so you can basically see I recently started making use of Bliss network, and also I have not referred anybody. This is just basically my first video about Bliss network, and I'll be rolling out other videos to share with you guys how it actually works. So you will check right here, you can see the CPU and the GPU working, and the percentage is actually being mentioned right here. This is showing that it is working, and it's also notifying that I'm currently online. So the total time so far is about 5 hours, and for today I've actually been able to like get over 2 hours on the Blaze network. Now this is something that you basically need to know. All right, the Blaze network offers you this opportunity to earn points from their own platform, and you can convert that point which you have actually in into what they call time points. All right, and then later this is going to be listed as a token which you are also going to be able to withdraw or you can use for other means. Now there are ways you can basically like get to like make use of this, which is very simple. All right, there are ways you can basically make use of this, which is very simple. Now they have what they call Uber style, which you basically think is just like how Uber ride basically is. All right, it's a simple way you can actually request a ride in a nearby way, and you get a driver that comes straight to you. So simply Bliss automatically sends small computing tasks to your device based on your computer. All right, based on the speed, based on the reliability, based on the location, you get a little tax into your computer. And if you have a computer that have a good GPU, good CPU, you're basically going to be making use of Bliss in an effective way. I basically have a gaming computer, so it's working pretty well, and it is actually like performing well. All right, now they have the awesome security sandbox. Now this is also going to be explained to you guys, where you're going to be noticing every single thing that is happening on your computer is on the safer side. Now the awesome security sandbox is just like a task running inside a safe environment in your system. All right, and it cannot get access to your file or your private information. Everything is going to be mentioned or is going to be secured in a separate and secured way, and it's just going to be like a space built in your system for guests, and it's just majorly for Bliss. All right, now this is one of the important things that make people to get into Bliss. All right, you can't use your mobile phone in general, you just basically need a system, either a PC or desktop. All right, now you don't need to invest into Bliss, you just basically get to earn free potential tokens. All right, and it is very low risk. That is why a lot of people get into it. So I highly recommend, if you want to actually get access to it, this is basically their Twitter handle. You can automatically get the link directly from the description of the video and start it up right now. Now it is very simple to get your hands on this, and any other information which is going to be rolling out, I'll actually get to like update you guys based on it. So stick around, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. Peace out guys.